Okay, let's take an unboxing and look at the Ranvoo Bubble Sonic electric toothbrush. And as you can see, there's a package there. Quite nice packaging. We're going to get a bit more detail about what this all means on the back as we do the unboxing. So we open it up, have a look. So to start with, there is the actual toothbrush just there. Now, doesn't that look good? Now, it's a nice large toothbrush, as you can see, but it's very, very light, which is nice in the hands. Now, the great thing about being large, it's got 60 days battery life in it, which is quite incredible. And a quick 10-minute charge will actually give you 2 hours of use, which I think is fantastic. So there's the toothbrush there. I'm going to show you how to turn it on in a minute. There's the toothbrush there. So we're going to have a look. Now, there's bristles as well. Now, they say these bristles actually last for 60 days as well. These DuPont bristles actually last for 90 days. These brush heads are made with DuPont bristles, which means they actually last 6 months, which is longer than most electric toothbrushes that I've actually reviewed before. So there's the toothbrush heads. We'll show you that too. You've got the user manual just there. The QR code there, you can do the extended warranty and also check the information. And you've also got the wall charger. So you can actually wirelessly charge this or put it there as well. So you can actually sit it there. We'll show you how to do that later as well with the charger, but it's really, really good. And that's about it in the box. So as you can see, very, very nice packaging. What I might do is now is kind of look into the toothbrush in a bit more detail. So let's put that to the side. So let's have a look at the toothbrush itself. So here's a toothbrush here. Now what I like about it, it's really nice to hold in the hand so you can see how you're going to be able to use it when you're using to brush your teeth. Let's go start by turning it on. So you hold down the button there and there it comes on. So you can see the display just there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's showing white. You press it again and it changes it to clean, just there. You touch it again and it changes to soft, so soft movement as well. So we're going to go through and test out those movements shortly. Let's go and actually look at the toothbrush itself. So I'll pop that down and turn it on. Now, I like it about this, it uses vibration cleaning and bubble technology. And they say it removes 99% of plaque. We'll test it out as well when we're using it to see how good we actually think it is. So you take the toothbrushes out, just there like that. So take the toothbrush, take it out like that, and put it in here as well. So there we are. So you put that on there. So there it sits just there. So it sits nicely in there. Now I'm going to turn it on now, guys, and have a bit of a look at it. So turn it on. Now it uses air to actually push through. So the air comes through there when you actually brush your teeth. Now as you can see the vibrations there on the toothbrush. See how it's vibrating away. Now this is on soft. I was going to increase it to the next one, which is we'll go to white. You can see the toothbrush there moving. See that? So that's what gives you the vibration, and it gives you also the bubbles doing it as well. And see how that's moving. So there's my finger. You see how that's what's getting rid of all the plaque when it does that. Now white's the whitening setting. Now we'll go to the clean setting as well. So you see how it reduces the number of bristles. Now we'll go through each moding as we actually do it later. But as you can see, there's the toothbrush just there working. So they say the toothbrush is actually, so I'll just turn it off. They said toothbrush handle is actually made from aviation-grade materials and it's coated with an anti-mildew finish. So it keeps clean after multiple uses. Now it is actually waterproof as well, so you can actually wash it after you do it, which is really, really handy. And really, really nice toothbrush. And I can't wait to be testing out to you guys to show you exactly how it works.